Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to restore the headlights on a GMC Envoy XL. This is my 2004 GMC Envoy XL V8 and this is after the restoration. The before and after is night and day difference. The kit I'm using is a Cerakote kit that I bought off Amazon for $30 and honestly it's the best kit I've used. I've used other brands before this on this Envoy and none of them made it as good as this. I'm not sponsored by Cerakote in any way. I will leave a link to the product in the description below. So as you can see here, the headlights are pretty bad. This one is not too bad, but then the other one is really hazy. So that's what we're going to take care of today. So as you can see, the headlights are in terrible shape. Not the worst I've seen, but they're quite bad. Not only does it look bad, it also scatters the beam angle of the light, so the light won't be focused, which can be a hazard. So the Cerakote kit we have here, it's a 3-step process. The first step is removing the oxidation from the lens, and they give us 8 packs of those wipes that we're going to be using to remove the oxidation. The second step is the sanding. And included in the box is 1 pair of 2000 grit sandpaper and 1 pair of 3000 grit sandpaper. And finally, step 3 is the ceramic coat, and you have a pack of 2 for those. And you have 2 pairs of gloves in there as well. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to wipe the headlights free from dirt, bug splatter, and other debris using a wet rag. Then after that, I'll be drying it with a dry rag. Once that is done, I'm going to put on my gloves and I'm going to open step 1. Like I said before, there's 8 of these, so you can use as many as you want until there's no oxidation left. So let me open the first one and start cleaning this in a circular motion. While I'm doing this, I can definitely feel how rough the surface is. And if you take a look at the sheet here, and it's pretty dirty. So we need to make sure that it's clear. That's when you know it removed most of the oxidation. So I'm going to fast forward as I complete this, but look how bad that looks. I just flipped it over and I'm using the other side. So I'm definitely probably going to go through a bunch of these packs just on this one headlight, it seems like. But as you can see here, it already looks better. The headlight, the haziness kind of went away. So you got to make sure you get every square inch. That's what I'm doing here. So yeah, so this one is pretty much done. I'm just trying to be cheap and using every square inch of this wipe here. But you don't have to. You can open a new one, and that's what I'm going to do soon here. So I'm going to crack open the second wipe and start doing the same thing. And I'm already noticing that it's quite yellow. So there's still a lot of stuff left on the headlight. And I'm just amazed at how much stuff this wipe is actually taking out. So that's when you know the end result is going to be good. But just take a look at this. It's incredibly nasty. So I opened the third wipe and I'm wiping it down, and there's still lots of oxidation still left, as you can see from the yellowness on the wipe. So let's give this one a good wipe and see if we need to use a fourth wipe. So just for peace of mind, I'm opening up a fourth wipe here, and already it's not that bad. It's a lot lighter than the past three that we did. So just quick circular motion here, and you can see not that yellow. So that's an indication that we are almost done with this headlight, and we can finally move on to the other headlight. So after the fourth wipe, I think I'm satisfied with this light. As you can see, there's not that much yellowing here on the wipe. So I'm going to use the same wipe on the other headlight, which is not as bad as in condition as the first one. So yeah, let's continue with this one now. So this headlight is not really bad. As you can see here, the wipe is not as dirty as the first headlight. So I'm very satisfied. So I think I'm going to stop at just from this wipe. I'm not going to open a clean wipe anymore. So now I'm just going to finish this off, and I'm going to let this dry for a little bit. And then after that, we can start the sanding. An optional step is to wipe everything down with a dry rag after you're done with this, which is what I'm doing here. You don't have to, but the step one is a bit oily, so I just wanted to get everything out. So now I'm going to start sanding with the provided sander. So I'm going to start with the 2000 grit sander here, going left and right only, and make sure to spray that so it's nice and smooth. So only left and right, do not go in circular motion. And as I'm doing this, I can definitely feel how rough the surface is, and you'll gradually feel it getting smoother and smoother. Once the sanding feels smooth, you can switch to the finer 3000 grit sandpaper for the final sand. Make sure not to put too much pressure, as you don't want to create any deeper scratches. Since the other headlight is not as bad as this one, I'm only going to use the 3000 grit sandpaper only for the other headlight. Once the sanding is done, you have to make sure that the headlight is completely dry before applying the third step, which is the ceramic coat. I'm actually using this one kit to do 2 cars, so I'm kind of working back and forth here, so it gives enough time for these headlights to dry. I'm definitely not going to buy another kit just to do my other car, so I'm trying to get the most out of this kit. The headlights are completely dry now, so now let's open up step 3 and apply the ceramic coat. The ceramic coat, you have to only wipe in one direction with a 50% overlap. The ceramic coat does dry quickly, so make sure to do your overlap quickly. This is so satisfying to do, and the difference it makes is unbelievable, as you can see here. Crystal clear is the only way to describe what I'm seeing. This is the best $30 I've spent in a good while. Not only does the kit make the headlight look brand spanking new, it makes the whole car look new, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. I'm very curious to see how long this lasts, because the previous kit I've used only lasted about 5 months, but it got nowhere near as clear as this. So I'm really rooting for this product to work and last. So the one we just did, it was the good headlight, and this one was the most oxidized headlight. So let's see how this one does. Let's see ceramic coat do its magic on this thing. And magic it is. Look how shiny that is now. Wow, what a difference. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out my channel for more GMC Envoy content. See you all next time.